So I managed to pick up a Gigabyte 78LMT-USB 3 motherboard bundle up with the AMD FX 8320E from Micro Center only for $103. So yes, I went with AMD FX 8320 processor. It's an 8-core processor. We can overclock this processor all the way up to 4.5 GHz. Also the RAM I went with Crucial Ballistic 1600 MHz. We can also overclock these RAMs all the way up to 1800 MHz. The power supply I went with CORSAIR CX 430 watt power supply. It's a great power supply. It's definitely more than enough for this build. Also the SSD I went with this build, SANDISK 128 gig SSD. Also guys, I still didn't receive my graphic card from Amazon yet, AMD RX 460, so please bear with me. If you guys don't see a graphic card in this build, there will be a part 2 of this build, and also I will have the benchmark for you guys in the part 2. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Enjoy the build.